Good day, viewers. Welcome to another biology lesson. I'm your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. So right here with me, I've got this simple question that came in Biology Paper 2 for 2016. The question reads, Figure 3.1 shows a cross-section through a stem of a plant which had been previously dipped in a red dye for 6 hours. So this is figure 3.1, okay, which is showing the cross-section of the stem. So this is the cross-section of a stem, okay, which was previously dipped in a red dye for 6 hours. So we start with question A. 1. So this is our question A. Identify the parts N, P, and Q. So we have to identify these parts that are labeled, okay? So the part labeled N, this is the cambium. The part labeled O right here, this is the pith. Then the part labeled P, this is the phloem vessel. The part labeled Q, this is what? The xylem vessel. And the part labeled R, this is the cortex. So we are only interested in the part N, P, and Q. So N, this is the cambium. So the part labeled N is the cambium. The part labeled P, we have said this is the phloem. This is the phloem vessel. Okay, the part labeled Q right here, this is the xylem vessel. Okay. All right, so we now come to part 2 of question A. The question reads, which labeled part in figure 3.0 would be stained red? So from this figure 3.1, which labeled part is going to be stained in red? Okay, so remember that we have these parts right here. So we have the cambium, we have the pith, we have the phloem vessel, we have the xylem vessel, we have the cortex. So which of these parts is going to be stained red? So the part that is going to be stained red is the xylem vessel. And which part is showing the xylem vessel? Okay, so this is the part showing the xylem vessel, part Q. So here you just say part Q. Okay, so part Q is the one that is going to be stained red. So now on Roman numeral 3, they have asked you to give a reason for your answer in A2 above. So in this question A2 above, you give a reason why you have chosen that part Q is going to be stained red, why the xylem is going to be stained red. All right, so we give a reason why we are saying part Q is going to be stained. So this is the xylem vessel. And one of the functions of the xylem vessel is to transport water and mineral salts. Okay, so this is why this part Q is going to be stained, because the mineral salts, they are going to act as the dye. Okay, so here we are saying because part Q transports water and mineral salts. So this is the reason why we have chosen that part Q is going to be stained, because it transports water and mineral salts. So here the mineral salts, they are going to act as the dye. Okay, so these were the answers to question 2 under A and question 3 under A. Let us now proceed to other questions. All right, so we now come to question B1. Suggest three factors. Okay, so it's supposed to be the word factors. Suggest 3 factors that would increase the rate of movement of the dye in the stem when it is dipped in the red dye. So they want you to suggest 3 factors that would increase the rate of movement of the dye in the stem when it is dipped in red dye. Okay, so those three factors, they are going to be: number one, we need high temperature. Okay, we need high temperature. Another factor, we also need what? We need more wind. We need more wind. Okay, more wind speed. Apart from that, we also need what? Low humidity. Low humidity. So these are the three factors that would increase the rate of movement of the dye in the stem when it is dipped in the red dye. Okay, so we can answer those: high temperature, low humidity, more wind speed. We can even say high light intensity. These are the factors. So let us now move on to question B2. We have answered question B1. All right. All right, so we've now come to question B2 right here. Name the process that will cause the movement of the red dye in the stem. So name the process that would cause the movement of the red dye in the stem. So here we are looking at the movement of this red dye. Okay, it has to move, okay, through the stem, then it has to go to the leaves up the stem. Now there is that process that will be needed in order for this red dye to move. So the name of the process is called the transpiration pull. So this is the name of the process: transpiration pull. Okay, so this is our answer. That is the name of the process: transpiration pull. All right, so thank you so much everyone. We've come to the end of our lesson for today. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.